So the idea behind BoxPower started at a university research lab at Princeton University by a group of professors, a civil engineer, a mechanical engineer, and an architect, who had the idea to begin designing rapidly deployable renewable energy infrastructure that could be deployed quickly in the wake of disasters. I spent about 4 years studying modular microgrid design and construction at the university before spinning out and starting a commercial venture, BoxPower, in 2016, commercializing the concepts that we'd explored in that research program.
Our smaller unit, the mini box, can be shipped via FedEx or UPS and can arrive, as fast as possible via air freight. These larger systems, can take a little bit longer depending on where they're staged. But the idea of all of them is to set up within a couple hours, and the moment they arrive, they can start providing power due to the battery bank.
I think this is exactly what I was supposed to be doing. I think I went to school for engineering, and my intention was to save the world someday.
Power is one of those things that everybody needs around the world. The first place after Puerto Rico that we worked was in Alaska. They have a great need for more cost-effective power in these locations. And so that was our second area of focus, which is really the utility focus. We were selling to utilities in Alaska, which we've continued to do here in California.
Our business requires about 2 acres of storage for our equipment, and here in the San Francisco Bay Area that's pretty difficult to find, especially with the stacking and everything else. And we were able to find a place. Unfortunately, it had no electricity, and we spent 10 years working with the county and the local utility to get connected, and spent quite a bit of money and figured out that it just wasn't going to happen. I had made a connection with BoxPower earlier on something else, and realized that that made sense for us. And so we sat down, came up with a concept, and created the system that we're now using and enjoying today. What we received was a system that was based on our load, and to kind of put that in context, at any one time we can be running 4 welding machines working on containers, spray rigs, painting containers, air compressors, plasma cutters cutting on containers, as well as a full functioning office with 4 employees inside, okay? And we run 6 days a week, pretty much from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And so it's not a casual kind of thing going on here. We needed the real deal. We're now, all of us, very comfortable with it, and it's the right thing for us.
So BoxPower had a great technology to start off with a lot of different applications. I know they were looking for potential applications within agriculture, and they were searching around for different accelerators or programs that could help them basically figure out if there's that product market fit. So after some searching, they came across the Wet Center, its reputation online, and came across the Valley Ventures program. We really pile drive in helping with not only general sales skills, we bring in consultants and have other trainers and just work through developing these founders into pretty successful salespeople that can also develop a sales process for their team.
I bring up a piece of advice that one of the mentors gave there about pitching and how to pitch your idea, and I think I got some of the best pitch coaching that I've ever gotten through that program that I still use and still recall to this day, so absolutely valuable.